This week's tip is what is house hacking? House hacking is one of those strategies that is really, really ideal for beginners investing in real estate, but it also works for seasoned investors depending on where they want to live. So the first thing about house hacking is you live in the property that you're going to rent a portion of it out.
Yeah, and by renting a portion out, there's many different portions. You could rent out rooms, you could rent out a basement suite. You can actually move in upstairs, legalize the basement suite, and then rent out that. We've had a lot of investors over the years start off in the basement, or start off in the area of the house which isn't attractive, move into that area and update it over time, rent out the easy portion to rent out, and then update where they're living. So there's different options there. And the main reason for house hacking is that you're saving money or you're earning an income. Basically, you're moving into a place, and in many cases, people are renting out there. The average rents for a two-bedroom, say, condo is $2,000. We've got house hackers actually living for free in their investment properties. So that is the main reason why we love house hacking, but there's other advantages as well.
Yeah, and the best part about house hacking is that you're only paying 5% because that is your primary residence. So when you're looking at your down payment, it is only 5%.
Yeah, I love that, Tim, and Carly, because then you can get in with as little money down. You can increase the money coming in, so you can actually increase your purchase price in some cases, and that can help you actually get into your next property.
Yeah, so that's our tip of the week. What is house hacking? And if you want to learn more about house hacking, you can drop us a message, either email, text, or even just come down to the office here, and we'd be happy to go through the whole process of how our clients are doing house hacking. And if you want more of these tips, just subscribe to this channel.
Awesome.